challenge day 4. I'm at first. Woo!
You've got 60 seconds. Go.
Alright guys, as usual, we're starting this challenge off with the left leg. We have to throw in a 60-second timer because we'll just keep going. Now the challenge is a bit more competitive since we're under pressure.
19. Oh, that's a catch. That's 2 catches. 20.
One.
Nice.
Danny's anticipating the burn he feels in his legs and it's making him nervous.
3, 2,
12.
1, 0.
13.
Oh man, that timer, it really makes us push.
13. 14.
Day 4 and Greg hits a personal best of 15.
One.
Amaya's killing this challenge. She really developed a technique and is owning it.
21. 0.